Hey everyone, it's Vicky. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 12 fascinating facts about Kentucky that you probably didn't know. Kentucky, a state in the heart of the American South, is known for its rolling hills, bourbon distilleries, and horse racing. But beyond these iconic images lies a state full of surprises, a place where history, culture, and natural wonders intertwine to create a tapestry as rich and complex as any you'll find. Get ready to have your mind blown because we're about to uncover some seriously cool stuff that might just make you want to book a trip to the Bluegrass state. Deep beneath the hills of Kentucky lies a hidden world, a labyrinth of caverns and tunnels stretching for hundreds of miles. This is Mammoth Cave, the longest known cave system on Earth, a place where explorers have been getting lost and found for centuries. With its towering chambers, delicate formations, and mysterious underground rivers, Mammoth Cave is a testament to the power of nature and a reminder that there's still so much left to discover. The first Saturday in May marks a day when the eyes of the world turn to Louisville, Kentucky, for the running of the Kentucky Derby. This isn't just any horse race, it's a spectacle, a tradition that dates back to 1875, a celebration of speed, history, and Southern charm. From the mint juleps to the elaborate hats, the Kentucky Derby is an experience unlike any other, a chance to witness history in the making. Ever jotted down a quick reminder on a Post-it note? Well, you can thank Kentucky for that. These ubiquitous little squares of paper were invented right here in the Bluegrass state, a testament to the power of accidental discovery and the impact a simple idea can have. It just goes to show sometimes the smallest inventions can change the world. Kentucky is synonymous with bourbon, and for good reason. This amber-colored nectar has been crafted here for generations. Its smooth taste a reflection of the state's limestone-rich water, and the dedication of its master distillers. With more barrels of bourbon than people, Kentucky is a true whiskey lover's paradise. It might surprise you to learn that the first public performance of a Beethoven symphony in America took place, not in a bustling East Coast city, but in the heart of Kentucky. This historic event, a testament to the state's early embrace of the arts, helped introduce classical music to a new audience and solidify Kentucky's place in musical history. It's a reminder that great art can bloom in the most unexpected places. From humble beginnings in a roadside restaurant in Corbin, Kentucky, KFC or Kentucky Fried Chicken has become a global phenomenon. Colonel Harlan Sanders, with his white suit and secret recipe, created more than just a fast food chain. He created a taste sensation that has captured the hearts and stomachs of millions worldwide. It all started with a simple recipe and a dream. That familiar tune we all know and love, Happy Birthday to You, has its roots in Kentucky. Two sisters from Louisville, Mildred and Patty Hill, wrote the original melody as a classroom greeting, never imagining it would become the world's most recognized song. It's a testament to the power of simple melodies and the enduring legacy of Kentucky creativity. Kentucky is often called the Bluegrass state, and no, it's not just a catchy nickname. The state is known for its lush bluegrass pastures, a sight that evokes images of rolling hills, thoroughbred horses, and a simpler way of life. This iconic grass isn't just beautiful, it's a symbol of Kentucky's agricultural heritage and natural beauty. In Bowling Green, Kentucky, American automotive dreams become a reality. This is where the Chevrolet Corvette, America's iconic sports car, is manufactured, a testament to Kentucky's skilled workforce and its contribution to automotive history. The Corvette, with its sleek design and powerful engine, is a symbol of American ingenuity and a source of pride for the Bluegrass state. Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, a man who shaped the course of American history, was born in a humble log cabin in Hodgenville, Kentucky. His early years, spent amidst the rolling hills and fertile farmlands of the Bluegrass state, helped shape his character and instilled in him the values that would guide him through his extraordinary life. A visit to his birthplace is a journey back in time, a chance to connect with one of America's most revered figures. In a world often filled with discord, the World Peace Bell, located in Newport, Kentucky, stands as a symbol of hope and unity. This massive bell, the largest free-swinging bell in the world, rings out as a call for peace, a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there is always hope for a brighter future. It's a place of reflection and a reminder of our shared humanity. From the foothills of Appalachia to the banks of the Ohio River, Kentucky resonates with the sounds of music. This is a state with a rich musical heritage, a place where bluegrass, country, and jazz intertwine to create a soundtrack as diverse and captivating as the state itself. Kentucky has produced some of the most iconic figures in American music, from Loretta Lynn to John Jacob Niles, their voices carrying the spirit of the bluegrass state to the world. So there you have it, 12 fascinating facts about Kentucky that might have surprised you. From the depths of Mammoth Cave to the thundering hooves at the Kentucky Derby, from the invention of the Post-it note to the birthplace of Happy Birthday to you, Kentucky is a state full of surprises. If you enjoyed this journey through the heart of the bluegrass state, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more fascinating facts from around the world, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you next time.